This whole event is about sharing experience between our user community. So we have people coming in from all over the world who get together for a couple of days and really learn from each other's experience, both the pros and the cons, in order to create a user community, to gain more information about the system, how it works, how it can be used in different scenarios.
If you compare Flexnet to the older systems, this will be a more we can protect our soldiers in a more technical, operational way than before. So I think we will have the human protection and the technical protection, and we will have a more quality in the protection. So we can rest better and we can act better when we have an alarm or something like that from the Flexnet system.
So for these last couple of days, we've been gearing up for the demonstration that we did here today. What we have been showing here today, two scenarios that we have displayed to our international and our national customers. There are no two users in our community that actually use the system in the same way. It's all about finding the right combination of sensors for the specific missions that they are to employ.